The Department of Electronics and Communication Science would like to share how to generate certificate instantly for any program once feedback form is submitted. Go to Google Drive. First create a folder. So click New Folder. I'm creating a folder with the name Seminar. So the folder is created. Open the folder. First I'm going to design a form. So go again to New, More. So in More you click Blank Google Form. So in blank Google Form, you give the title. I'm giving the title as Seminar. So add a title, and I'm going to add 2 questions. Let the first question as name. You have to enable this required. Then the further questions can be added by clicking this plus symbol. Let my second question be designation. Again you enable this required. Then go to settings. So in the settings, I'm going to collect the email addresses from all the participants only through which I can send the certificates. So you enable this checkbox, collect email addresses. Then go to presentation. I'm going to type the message as thank you. Save. Then this form file has to be given a name. When you click this, automatically the title what I have recorded, what I have given for the form will be fetched. So I have got a Seminar. If you need to change the file name, you can do that by clicking here. So once the title is entered, you click here. So that is automatically saved in the drive. You need not save anything because whatever the editing option you do, automatically it will be saved into your drive. Now close this form. Then I'm going to design a certificate. So click New. To design the certificate, you can do this with the help of Google Docs or Google Slides. Only the certificate that is designed using Google Docs and Google Slides will be merged with the form, can be merged with the form. Now go to Google Slide. You can select any design from the already available template. Otherwise, you can insert your own design too. So I have selected this template. Here you can add the college name. Now you can place this college name anywhere by moving the header. Then you can insert the body, that is this is to certify that. Then here the name has to be automatically fetched from the forms. So I'm going to insert a tag here. The method to insert tag is you type to lesser than symbol followed by the title that you have given in the form. In the form, I have given the title as name. So insert the same, type the same title that you have given in the form. Close this tag with help of greater than symbol. Then type the other messages like this is to certify that has so and so has participated in this seminar. Then again here I have to give the file name for the certificate. I'm going to give the file name as certificate seminar. So click anywhere outside this tab. So automatically it will be saved in the Google Drive. Close the certificate. Now I'm going to merging part. To go into the merging part, open the form what you have designed already. The form I have designed is seminar. Open the form, go to responses. The responses you can see, you can able to see a green symbol. You click this. This is a symbol to create a spreadsheet for the form. Spreadsheet is nothing Excel sheet. So I'm going to have this Excel sheet name as seminar responses. So whatever the name you're giving to the form, it will take that name automatically, and this responses will be added along with it. So let it be, you click this create. So a Google sheet will be created. So this is the sheet with the name, with the titles, what I've added to the form, that is email address, name, designation. Now I'm going to merge this. To do the merging part, to click this add-ons. In the add-ons, I have downloaded this AutoCAD. When you're doing for the first time, this AutoCAD will not be available. In that case, you go to get add-ons. You click this get add-ons. Many add-ons will be displayed, and you have to install the AutoCAD add-on. So once you click install the AutoCAD add-on, you click the AutoCAD add-on, click launch. The new window will open. So there you have to click new job. So click new job. The job name. I'm going to merge the certificate with the that is form. So you give the job name as the file name you have given for the certificate. The file name what I've given for the certificate is certificate seminar. The same file name has to be given here. Yes. Then go to next. Now I'm going to choose this template. Template is nothing. The template, the design for the certificate. I have designed with the help of Google Slide. I'm going to select that template. I have stored the template in the drive. So you go to from drive. So certificate seminar, which I've shown before. You click this, select, then go to next. Here don't do anything with this. This form responses is nothing. Sheet name. The sheet name is form responses 1. Automatically it has fetched. Header row 1 is nothing. It is the name of the that is the titles of the form, the various components of the form. The first data row, the data starts from the second row. It's automatically fetched. You need not do anything. You keep this as standard format. Only one tag I have inserted. You can insert more than one tags also, like surname, Miss, Mrs, Doctor. That also can be inserted as a tag in your certificate. Then this tag is nothing that I have inserted in the certificate when I was designing. That has to be mapped with which column with the form. So name has to be mapped with name. So click the name. Then go to next. The file name. The file name is nothing. Destination name where all the certificates that is generated will be stored. So file name and giving a certificate. You can have your own file name followed by the tag, because we are going to generate n number of certificates. To have the difference from one certificate to the other, I am going to insert the tag as name. So the file will be saved as certificate with the name. Suppose the certificate is designed for me. So the file will be stored as certificate with my name. Then type. Type is the certificate has to be sent as a PDF. So I am giving as PDF. More than one certificate is generated, so keep it as multiple output mode. Then go to next. Here we have to choose the destination folder where the generated files has to be stored. I am going to choose the folder as seminar, which I have created already. That is seminar. The folder name is seminar. Then go to next. You need not give any reference. Then a condition can also be set here. Suppose the certificate is generated for the quiz. In such case, The certificate has to be generated only if the score is greater than 50. That can be done here. Then go to next. I'm going to share the document and send email. Yes. Then share document as PDF. Allow collaborators to reshare. Enable as yes. Send from generic no. Email address. Keep it as no. Then come down. I'm going to give the email address with help of the tag again. So as I told before, to insert a tag, first you type to lesser than symbol, then the name, this name of the column, that is email address that you have given in the form. Same name has to be typed here. That is, I have mentioned as capital E, small m, small a, small I, small l. Same way you type here, email address, close the tag with help of to greater than symbol. Then give a subject as certificate. I'm typing the message as thank you. This is the body of my email. Go to next. Yes, the JET certificate has to be generated only when the participant submits the form. So here, run on form trigger, as the job has to be run only when the form is submitted. So enable this as yes. That's it. The process is over. Now we are going to save. After saving, you need to run. You need to run the job. The job is nothing, the certificate seminar. Then only whatever the merging that was done will be stored. So when I was running the job, you can see at the back. So the merging is happening. So you can view that. So my part is over. Now I'm going to send the form to my email ID. I'm going to send the form to my email ID. When you are sending to the participant, you can generate a link and you can send it through WhatsApp or email ID. I'm sending to my email ID. Yes, I have sent. Let me open my mailbox. So go to Google Chrome. I'm opening my mailbox. Now I'm going to fill the form. So the form I have filled and I'm going to submit. So I have submitted the form. So after submitting the form, I'm going back to my Gmail inbox again. So the certificate is automatically generated and sent to my mail. So I have downloaded that. So this is a certificate I have designed. You can design your own certificate, and that can be automatically merged with the form and can be sent to the mail whoever submits the form using AutoCrat. Thank you.